And as you can see, this is my third and final coat with this glue. I have smoothed it out really nice and thin, or as nice and thin as possible. And it's almost time for me to lay this lace down. But as you can see, the glue is really nice and thin. And I'm almost done. So yeah, this looks thin enough to me. You can see I have my cap on here, and this is my wig here. This is my hairline. Now I'm going to dry it with the cool air. If you're just tuning in, this is my 24-inch kinky curly front lace. We custom colored it, and I'm doing the install here at Magic Hair Company. So I'm going to dry it with cool air until it dries clear. Hi. There's this white van parked outside the store, and it's 8 o'clock at night on a Saturday. I won't be paranoid and think somebody's trying to kidnap me. But look, see this white van right here? Why are you here? Nobody wants to kidnap me though. So you see, as I'm drying it with the cool air, it's getting lighter and lighter. Woo. It's nice and sticky. Almost dry. Let me know if you guys have any questions. When I'm gluing down a brand new wig, I'll glue it down with the lace on and then cut the lace off after I glue it down, just so it's cut perfectly to my hairline. Because the way you cut your hairline is different when you're gluing your wig down than if you're going to wear your wig glueless. All of my wigs are designed to be glueless. They come with this cool little strap here. I took the strap off of this wig because I'm gluing it down, but as you can see, it's completely removable on both sides and adjustable in the middle. So there's 3 hooks right here that you can adjust the tension to. And you wear this band in the back here, so it pulls down all of that front tension. Okay, this is good enough for me. So now I'm going to start pressing this lace down. You want to make sure everything's lined up and even. Love is a closing game. Okay, and now I'm gonna go over here and do this side, and everything is exactly where I want it. And this is the way I lay my lace. So if you do it differently, good for you. This is the way I do mine. And this particular glue looks white at first, probably for like the first 24 hours. But then after it's set, it's perfect. So now I'm just rubbing the, making sure that the glue is sticking with the lace and the hairline. So I'm just rubbing that in here. Make sure I get my sideburns or the corners here. Sometimes I have to go back and do that a second time, but I feel like I got it this time. And what I've learned with glue installations, that it's okay to go back and do little pieces after the fact. Like when I cut this lace, if there's not a piece that's perfect, I'll just go back and put glue on it. I see a lot of times stylists will go back and just cut the lace that did not lay down perfectly, but why? I have the time, and for my next installment, I don't want to have to piece it, you know, switch it around too much. So once I do that first cut, I don't go back and cut the lace if the glue's not laying perfectly. I'll just go back and put some glue on that piece instead of being lazy. So yeah, I'm just rubbing this glue in here. You see it's wet, but that's because it's fresh glue, not dried yet, and it will dry clear in the morning and just be a little bit, still a little bit tacky. Once again, if you guys are wondering what glue I'm using Isha glue. It's one of my favorites. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Yeah, I'm almost done. So I'm going to keep laying this down. And yeah.